How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you can see in the title, we're talking about an Android bots today. What Android bots are we talking about? Well, we're talking about this guy, the SuperBox S7 Pro. Before we jump into that, I want to say a few things. If you've been watching my channel for a while, or if you're one of my OG viewers, you have seen some of my NVIDIA Shield videos. That's what I started the channel on, and I love doing those videos, and it has brought a lot of opportunities for me. Making this video has been very nostalgic. It's brought back a lot of my feelings that I've had from doing my initial videos of the NVIDIA Shield. So yeah, thanks SuperBots for sending this out and bringing back some nostalgia to me. So before we jump in, I also want to say that this box was sent to me free of charge. There are no strings attached. All that was asked is I do a honest review on it. So that's what I'm doing on this video here. This is going to be an honest review of the SuperBox S7 Pro. Also, if you guys watch this video and decide you want to buy this for yourself, I have a promotion code. I'll have it somewhere on the screen here. And if you use my promotion code, you'll get $50 off of your purchase. Also, I'll get commission out of that as well, just to be transparent and make sure that I'm completely honest with you guys. So let's talk about what comes in the box when you buy one of these SuperBoxes. Well, you get the SuperBox itself, you get a power cord, HDMI cord. Also, you get this really nice voice controlled controller. I've used this with the SuperBox. It's been amazing. You can also program this to work with your TV, which has been very handy since I can't keep a remote control in my hands at all. They always go missing. This one hasn't yet because I'm watching it closely, but it's been great. The voice control works seamlessly with the SuperBox S7 Pro. So that's pretty much all you get in the box. Let's talk about the ports that come on this guy. Regarding the ports on the back here, let's get this focused in. You have a USB-C, you have an IR, an AV, HDMI, LAN port, the SPDIF, which I've never used. You also have these two antennas. This is Wi-Fi 6, so it's very fast. Moving to the side here, you have a micro SD card, you have another USB-C, I'm pretty sure this is for accessories, and you have a USB port, as well as a little reset button. So that pretty much sums up the ports. Let's talk about the specs of this box now. So it comes with Android 12. I've already mentioned this, but it has two dual band Wi-Fi antennas. This has a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor, 4 GB of DDR RAM, and 32 GB of internal storage. You do have the option for expandable storage as well. We've already talked about the nice controller. This is a Bluetooth remote, and it allows built-in voice command. Alrighty, so I pulled up the SuperBox website so you and I can kind of just go through all of the features that this box offers. Several of these we've already went through. But let's just go down the list and we'll look at this together. That way you can get a full understanding of what this box offers. So you get the 7-day time shift function, parental controls, upgraded voice command system. You get a 7-day playback. Of course, we've already mentioned this, but you get 4 GB DDR and 32 GB of internal storage, Android 12 operating system, dual band Wi-Fi 6, 4K Ultra HD, and you get the quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor. And you have the Bluetooth remote controller, as well as an upgraded Type-C power port, as well as a USB-C port. One feature that I love using with this box is the extended time shift. With the SuperBox S7 Pro, it allows you to go back in the past for 7 days. So you can rewind, rewatch, and watch live events 7 days in the past. So that's been something I've been using quite often. You don't have to worry about missing live broadcasts, anything like that, because you have this feature. Alrighty, so going on down, we have parental controls. We all know what parental controls are. They're pretty much controls that you can put in place to ensure that your child or someone or yourself can't watch certain material that you may deem, I guess, age inappropriate, or something maybe you need to set this up for yourself. Another thing that comes with this box, we've already talked a little bit about this, is the upgraded voice control. I've used this a ton and it works, honestly, it works better than my other Android boxes, not mentioning any names, but I use it and it is amazing. Alright, scrolling on down, well, we have upgraded connections. This box provides 2 new USB ports. These are 3.0, and it has the industry standard Type-C power port as well. You can read the details if you want to see more of this. Alrighty, so Wi-Fi 6. None of my other boxes have Wi-Fi 6. This is the first box that I've had that has support for Wi-Fi 6, and I can tell a big difference. It's really fast. I've had no issues with it. Scrolling on down, we have 6K resolution. So this box is my first box, and I haven't even heard of any other boxes that support 6K resolution, but man, I love it. It's you can tell a big difference when you're not downscaling or upscaling. This box shows true 6K resolution, and it's been amazing. And that's pretty much one of the big selling points for me, is this feature right here. And here's a picture of a before and after. This is pretty much when you're downsizing or downsampling your 6K to a 4K. And the resolution normally just has some type of artifacting or issues. And as you can see, with that 6K, it's clear. So just the interface itself and where things are located, organized, and are set in this interface, it's amazing. It beats my other Android boxes that I have. That interface on those boxes can't really do anything compared to what these can. So that's been a big feature that I've loved as well. We've already went over the ports. So you do get exclusive apps, and here they are here. I can go through and pretty much watch anything that I would like to watch through these exclusive apps. And here's what's in the box. As you can see, stuff we've already talked about. All right, so another thing I love about SuperBox is their support. As you can see, we have FAQs. They also have an FAQ center where you can go and look at more questions. And if there's a question here that's unanswered, you could easily come and use, oh, I'm in the way. Let me move my face up here. Right there. You can easily click on this little message here. You have WhatsApp, you have email, and you have a individual contact us page where you can send emails from there as well. So that's another reason why the SuperBox really stuck out to me when I received it. I really looked over their website and I really like what they stand for. All right, so setting this box up, I've already done this and I'll just go over this with you guys real quick. It's very simple to how you will set up any box. Open it up, plug it up, turn it on, set up your Wi-Fi, get your scale correctly on your TV. Step 4, premium apps. This was my favorite part of setting up the SuperBox. So it's kind of what I would call a one-click option. You go in, click install, and the premium apps will be installed at that point. And yeah, it was so easy. So step 5, enjoy watching. So that's pretty much my overview of the bots. As far as reviewing the bots, this bots has been a pleasure using. The fact that you can install the premium apps with one click is amazing. I love the ability of having different expendable ports as well as the 6K. Man, there's nothing to not like about this bots. You have Wi-Fi 6 antennas. And yeah, this box has replaced all my other Android boxes. Alrighty, so this is the most favorite part of the video for me. This is where I go over the graphical interface of the SuperBox S7 Pro. First and foremost, before we jump in, I want to say that this is probably one of the most aesthetically pleasing and organized interfaces that I have been in when it comes to Android boxes. Also, I will have to blur out some things just to stay within YouTube guidelines. But let's go over the interface here so you can see it. And yeah, get a good look at what you could have if you purchase this box. So these right here are pretty much placeholders for apps. You can add any of the apps you install onto this box. You have live TV for live TV type apps. You have VODs, which is just video watching or recordings or anything like that. Playback, here you can put all of your playback apps in there as well. You have a browser, an app store. One cool thing about the app store is you have the app store that comes with the SuperBox TV, as well as the Google Play store, which is really nice. Down here, you kind of have a nice little shortcut bar where you can add in all of your apps that you'll be using. So down here, you have your apps, and these apps here are pretty generic when it comes to Android. Now, they do have some custom things on the SuperBox that I really like, but settings, of course, would get you to your settings. You have a file manager, as you can see here. And here you have a really nice cleaning utility. This cleans up RAM as well as just space, like installation packages. You have this button here, which allows you to do a internet speed test, which is nice. That way you can see what you're dealing with and what your speeds are looking like. And if we go over here, you have your uninstall app button here. This is a very nice click of a button and you come in here and remove anything you would like. All right, moving on. This is your mic button. This actually allows you, if you click it, I'll show you here. It allows you to come in here and program the controller and make sure you're connected. So very nice and handy, especially with this Bluetooth option for the RC200 controller. We'll go back here. Here's the keyboard, and here is a really nice button you can click and get help and support. There's your QR code you can use. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was the demo of this box. This is the SuperBox S7 Pro. I would highly recommend it to anyone that's looking to renew their Android bot situation that they have. This box has blown out of the water any other Android bots that I have tried, so this one is here to stay. I'm loving it, and I'm looking forward to what else SuperBox can bring out. So yeah, let's get back to the video. If you're looking for a nice Android box that has all the bells and whistles and more, this is the box for you. Again, my promo code will be here. If you're thinking about purchasing a new Android box, I would say get this one. You will get a $50 coupon off of your purchase with my promotion code. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you're looking at getting this box, you can't go wrong with it. Pick one up. Use my promo code. You'll get $50 off. And that'll also help me on the channel as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.